What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills over here with another sneaker review. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the one of the Nike On Air called the Air Max 1 Tokyos from the contest that went on last year, and they allowed us to vote and stuff, and I voted for these. I thought these were pretty dope. I like the concept and everything about them, so we're gonna check them out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Bam! We got the Nike Air Max 1 by Yuta Takuman. I don't know if I'm saying that right, sorry if I'm not. From the On Air Tokyo edition, Air Max 1. These joints is fire right here. Actually, it's an all leather upper. It's really nice leather. And as you can see, this is a little mismatch on the colors. This one's a little bit darker than this one. The lace options right there. You see on the tongue, we got removable patches. See on this one it says Tokyo Maze, Nike Tokyo Maze. You also have a whole lot of color options. You got the patches here, different patches. Tokyo flag. There's a few other ones in here. You also got your black laces, your white laces, and your red laces, and then you got your multicolored laces on here as well. So you have a lot of options depending on what you want to wear with these. This gives you a lot of options to choose from. But let's get into the shoe. Also on the other side it also says Tokyo Maze as well. Nike Tokyo Maze. On the inside of the right shoe is a black insole with Nike Air in white. On the inside of the left shoe is a white insole with Nike Air in red. And then also in the liner, as you can see, you got your white. Oh snap! I didn't even notice. It's a leather lining. Oh, so you got your white leather lining on the left shoe. On the right shoe, you got your black leather lining. Also the tongue. The whole inner is actually white. And then the whole inner on this one is black. And then you got your same outsole, black, with the red on the inside. I think this one has the same, yep, same. But you see all those little patterns. It's just a dope concept for a shoe. See that? The laces I probably switch, but besides that, this shoe is really good quality. Good leather on these. On the outsole, you got, this is Tokyo Maze. I think the other one is the same thing here, Tokyo Maze. On the outsole, this is a shoe right here. This is a real standout shoe. Like if you wear this, you're gonna stand out for sure. You got the whole mismatch thing going, the whole mismatch vibe going on. In the back, you got Nike Air in red. You got your white swooshes on the side here. On the inner, it's also white swooshes. Would have been kind of cool if they would have put like maybe a black swoosh on the inside of both of them. But anyway, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Still a dope concept and dope shoe. Like having two different shoes in one. Then you got the box. On the box it says Nike On Air. Pretty simple box. It's just a little different. You got all the steps on the thing there. Over here you got your Nike Air Max OAYT, men's 12, women's 13.5, black, white, habanero red. Ah, okay, so that's what that is, habanero red. So this is a habanero red, not just standard red. How's the lace tips? The lace tips are actually different on these bad boys too. So you got your black on that one, and then on this one you got your white. Interesting. I really just noticed that. It's a little interesting tidbit there. That Nike Air though, it's nice. Stitched on, of course. It's not like paste on there or anything like that. Of course, I have the receipt. These came straight from the Snkrs app. If you guys like this video, rate, comment, subscribe. Trying to get my subscribers up. You know what I mean? Trying to get up there. So rate, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.